Hey, awesome people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So glad you're here hanging out with me today. You know, sometimes we just go through our day, right? We learn new things, we try new things, and we don't always think about how amazing our brains are. But guess what? Your brain, your brain is like super, super cool. It's got so much power just waiting to be used. And today we're going to talk about one really, really fun way to make your brain even stronger, even smarter, and even more, well, you. Now, listen closely because this is where it gets really, really interesting. Have you ever thought about how your brain works? It's like a super, super powerful computer, right? It stores memories, it helps you learn, it helps you understand. It's always, always working, even when you're sleeping. It's pretty amazing if you think about it. And here's the secret, the really cool part. Learning a new language, like English, is like giving your brain a super, super powerful upgrade. It's like, when your phone gets a new update and suddenly it can do all these new cool things. That's what happens to your brain when you learn English. It gets faster, it gets smarter, it gets, more powerful. It's not just about learning words or grammar rules. It's about making new connections in your brain. It's about thinking in new ways. It's about opening up new pathways. And that, my friends, is how you truly unlock your brain power. Imagine your brain is like a super cool, super powerful computer. English is like a brand new, super fast operating system for it. It's going to make everything run smoother, faster, and better. Trust me on this one. You're going to feel the difference. Okay, so enough with the serious brain talk, right? Let's get real. English isn't just for super smart scientists or people who wear glasses and read big books. Nope. English is everywhere. It's in your favorite video games. It's in those super catchy pop songs. It's even on the menu at your favorite fast food place. And sometimes it can be a little, funny, really funny. I remember one time I was traveling in a country where they spoke mostly English and I was super hungry, right? So I went to this little cafe and I wanted to order a hot dog. Simple, right? A hot dog. But my English at the time was, let's just say, a work in progress. So instead of saying, "Can I have a hot dog, please?" I accidentally said something like, "Can I have a dog that's hot?" The waiter looked at me like I had 3 heads, and then he just started laughing, and I started laughing. It was totally embarrassing, but also totally hilarious. And you know what? Even though I messed up, I still got my hot dog eventually, and I learnt a very important lesson about ordering food in English. Ever tried to order a hot dog but accidentally asked for a dog that's hot? English can be tricky, but that's where the fun begins. Every mistake is just a funny story waiting to happen, and every funny story means you're learning. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace them. They're part of the adventure. All right, let's talk about something super important, especially for all you young learners out there. School. Now, I know sometimes school can feel like a lot of work, right? Lots of subjects, lots of homework, lots of new things to learn. But what if I told you that English can be your secret superpower in school? Think about it. So many amazing books, so many cool websites, so many interesting videos are all in English. When you learn English, it's like you're opening up a whole new library of knowledge. You can read stories from all over the world. You can learn about science and history and art from different perspectives. It's not just about getting good grades, though that's awesome too. It's about understanding more, seeing more, and learning more. And it's not just about books. Imagine being able to understand your favourite educational videos without needing subtitles. Imagine being able to talk to new friends from different countries who also speak English. English connects you to so many incredible resources and so many incredible people. It makes learning even more fun and even more exciting. Think of English as your secret key, unlocking doors to amazing new worlds of knowledge in every subject. Every new word you learn, every new sentence you understand, is like turning that key and opening another door. And behind each door is something new and exciting, waiting for you to discover. Now, let's talk about something even bigger than school. Let's talk about your dreams. What do you really want to do when you grow up? Do you want to travel the world and see amazing places? Do you want to invent something new that changes everything? Do you want to meet people from every corner of the globe and hear their stories? English can help you get there. It's like a bridge that connects you to all these incredible possibilities. Imagine you're on a trip to a country you've always dreamed of visiting, and you can talk to the people, understand their culture, and truly experience everything. Or imagine you have this brilliant idea for a new app or a new game, and you can share that idea with people all over the world because you can speak their language, English. I remember hearing about a young girl just like you who loved animals. Her dream was to work with animals all around the world. She started learning English when she was very young. And because of that, she was able to go to a special school in another country where they taught her all about animal care. Now she travels to different countries, helping endangered animals and teaching others how to protect them. Her dream came true because she had that English superpower. What's your biggest dream? Imagine speaking English and suddenly that dream feels a little closer, a little more real. It's not just a language, it's a key to unlocking your own amazing future. Every word you learn, every sentence you practice, is a step closer to making that dream a reality. Okay, so we've talked about all the amazing, awesome, super cool things English can do for you. But let's be real for a second. Learning something new, especially a whole new language, can sometimes feel a little bit like trying to teach a cat to fetch. Yeah, you try, and the cat just stares at you like, "Are you serious? I'm a cat. I don't fetch. Bring me the ball." And sometimes when you're learning English, you might feel a little bit like that cat. You might feel like you're not getting it. You might feel like it's too hard. You might even make a few funny mistakes. Like, I remember trying to say I'm full after a big meal, but instead I accidentally said I'm foolish. And everyone at the table just burst out laughing. And you know what? It was totally fine. Because making mistakes is part of the journey. It's like when you're learning to ride a bike, you fall down a few times, right? But you get back up, you dust yourself off, and you try again. And eventually, you're zooming around like a pro. English is the same. There will be days when it feels easy and fun. And there will be days when it feels like you're trying to explain quantum physics to a goldfish. But here's the thing. Every single time you try, every single time you speak, even if it's just one word, You are getting better. You are building that brain power. You are becoming more amazing. Sometimes, learning English feels like trying to teach a cat to fetch. It's tough, it's messy, but eventually you get there. Don't let those little bumps in the road stop you. Just keep going, keep trying, and keep laughing. Because you, my friend, you got this. So, my incredible brain-powered friends, we've talked about how English can supercharge your mind. We've laughed about those funny, real-life adventures. We've seen how it can be your secret weapon in school. And we've even dreamed big about how it can help you achieve your wildest, most amazing dreams. Now it's your turn. What are you waiting for? Your brain is ready. English is waiting. And your amazing future is just around the corner. Don't let anything hold you back. Start today, or if you've already started, keep going. Every little bit counts. Every word, every sentence, every conversation is building that incredible brain power. Remember, this isn't just about learning a language. It's about unlocking your full potential. It's about becoming the best, most confident, most amazing version of yourself. And I know you can do it. I truly, truly believe in you. So what are you waiting for? Your brain is ready, English is waiting, and your amazing future is just around the corner. Let's unlock that brain power together. Go out there and make some magic happen. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.